Hello, listeners. Welcome back to my channel, The Thought Echo. We've been told that success is a roadmap, a carefully planned journey where every step is mapped out. But what if I told you that's a myth? Some of the greatest discoveries in history didn't come from strict planning. They happened by accident, through curiosity, or because someone followed an unexpected path. We love setting goals. We think if we just follow a step-by-step process, we will achieve greatness. But the truth? Greatness doesn't work that way. Take Alexander Fleming. He wasn't looking for antibiotics. He just noticed something strange on his petri dish. That accident gave us penicillin, saving millions of lives. Creativity and innovation don't come from rigid plans. They come from exploration, from following curiosity, from embracing uncertainty. Apple didn't set out to make the iPhone. They were obsessed with design, simplicity, and user experience. That obsession led to something no one had planned, something that changed the world. Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs come from pure chance, but only for those who are willing to see them. Google's search engine started as a curiosity project. Had they been too focused on a strict plan, we might still be struggling to find information online. When we fixate on a single goal, we risk missing out on better opportunities. In the book, Why Greatness Cannot Be Planned, researchers found that rigid goal setting can actually block innovation. The biggest breakthroughs happen when we step off the planned path. So, what's the secret to greatness? Adaptive exploration, following intrigue, embracing uncertainty, and staying open to the unexpected. Instead of obsessing over success, focus on learning. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it. The path to greatness is not a straight line. It's a winding road of discovery. So if you want to be great, don't overplan. Stay curious. Stay open. Because the best things in life are never planned.